Hi everyone, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. So here we are once again looking at the ionospheric charging, and blue and black areas, red and white areas are extreme charging or capacitance, and this is on the 21st of December, and I gave multiple warnings for South America, specifically Chile, before we had the magnitude 7.6 quake on the 25th. And we definitely had lots of charging here on the 22nd as well. So this is really a large accumulation of charge going on in the ionosphere. A little more on the 23rd. And then on the 25th as well. And the other thing I wanted to focus on was the Bogoslav volcano eruption, which happened after about a 25-year slumber of basic inactivity there. We definitely had an uptick on the 22nd. So anytime you have these black and white areas, this is, not right above the Aleutian Trench, but it's definitely affecting the area there. And the 22nd is when just right 10 minutes after this interval of charging, 1:10 Universal Time, we had Bogoslav volcano erupt. And I just wanted to show how this model also applies very well to volcanic eruptions as well as earthquakes, because they're both interrelated, of course. So close-up view of gamma rays on the other channel here. You can see that the gamma rays are definitely going up until we reach the 22nd, and Bogoslav started erupting just after that. And looking at closest magnetometer, so ground-based observation of magnetic activity there, you can see that with the increase in gamma rays, the magnetometer definitely responds big time there. And again, I always like to see the same thing at Beijing. So this is right under the atmosphere where the gamma rays are measured from. The neutron monitor is in China, and you can see the magnetometer reacting there. And the earthquake on the 25th was at 14:22 Universal Time in Chile. So here's Beijing's magnetometer on the 25th, and you can see just before 1200 a huge magnetic disruption there. And then Peru's magnetometer, very obvious, extreme magnetic disruption going on there. And then the earthquake happened at that, right about there, just after 1400 Universal Time. So looking on the other channel for gamma rays, you can see here on the 25th at 1200 and about 13:15 Universal Time, the magnetometers responding there. And at Peru, so it's really showing instantaneous action at a distance, which is what I show on basically every video, because modern science does not understand instantaneous action at a distance whatsoever. So looking on the 22nd, this is the auroral electrojet in Japan. You can see it's basically showing the sun's influence, which, remember, the gamma rays come in via the galactic circuit and link up with the solar circuit. So this is the geomagnetic activity, which is influenced by both, of course, and you can see that just after 0100 universal time, that's when Bogoslav started going off, and then jumping to the 25th, you can see that solar induction at 12, which corresponds with the magnetometer data that I showed, and then just after 1400, we had the earthquake in Chile. So that's basically all I wanted to show for now. This is E.M.P, electromagnetic precursors for earthquakes. Thanks for watching. Take care.